Making sense of action verbs. Dive into physical and mental action. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of verbs, specifically action verbs. These verbs are the real powerhouses of our sentences. They help us express what is happening, and, more importantly, who is making it happen. By the end of this video, you will understand what action verbs are and will be able to differentiate between physical and mental action verbs. So, let's jump right in. Action verbs, as their name suggests, express the action happening in a sentence. These are the words that tell us what the subject of the sentence is doing. For instance, in the sentence, "She reads a book," the action verb is reads, which tells us the action the subject, she, is performing. Now let's discuss the first type of action verbs, physical action verbs. These verbs describe actions that we can physically perform, like running, jumping, writing, or singing. So, when you say, "I run every morning," or "they sing beautifully," the words run and sing are physical action verbs because they indicate a physical activity that you or they are performing. The other type of action verbs we have are mental action verbs. These describe actions that involve mental or intellectual activities. When you think, guess, realize, or dream, you're performing a mental action. For instance, in the sentence, "I think it's going to rain," think is a mental action verb because it represents a mental activity that you are carrying out. Identifying action verbs in a sentence can be tricky at times, especially when differentiating between physical and mental action verbs. The key is to remember this. Physical action verbs depict a tangible activity, something you can literally see someone doing. On the other hand, mental action verbs refer to the actions that are intangible, something happening in one's mind, which we can't see but can understand through their expression or communication. And that's a wrap on our exploration of action verbs. Remember, action verbs are crucial elements in English language because they enable us to express activities or actions performed by the subject. They're either physical, things we do, or mental, things we think or understand. Practice identifying these in your daily conversations or reading, and you'll master them in no time. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in our next video where we will continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar. Until then, happy learning!